The Cosmonaut. I once knew some people from Holland Park who read the complete works of Karl Marx and Engels during their 5-year gap year in Southeast Asia, whose parents are top lawyers or the children of famous people, and they'd be absolutely loving this drink's name because it's associated with the Soviet Union. But would gladly forget about the notion of capitalism, especially when I can charge them an extra £10 per drink just because I can. And in this day and age, we need less greed, but I'm glad to inform you this drink is cheap as chips to make. Ingredient lineup: London dry gin, fresh lemon juice and raspberry jam. I didn't splash the cash too much with this jam, but I'm sure it's going to do the trick. Let's kick this off by adding 2 heaped bar spoons of raspberry jam to the shaker. Add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of our gin. Lastly, add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice. I'm going to shake this for around 10 seconds. History-wise, this drink was created by the legendary Sasha Petraske at Milk and Honey in New York. Apparently it was a slight dig aimed at the popular Cosmopolitan cocktail, which you would have seen everywhere on menus in the 90s and early 2000s. Double strain into a Nick and Nora or a coupe glass. We're going to be using no garnish for this one, but if you want to, use a raspberry. The taste test. This is really refreshing and tart. The gin and the lemon have that juniper sour element that works so well together. Classical combinations. The use of the preserves in this is absolutely brilliant. It makes it an adult drink. It sweetens it in a mature way. Not that sort of sickly sweet thing you can sometimes get with syrups or a bit synthetic-y tasting. I'm a real big fan of the 3 ingredient cocktails. I think they're excellent to have at your disposal, especially if you've got like big groups of people to serve or you're working with limited resources. It's absolutely great. So this is a really dependable drink. It's going to get a 7.6 out of 10 from me.